Largest living primates. Gorillas are the largest of the great apes, which also include chimpanzees, bonobos, and orangutans. Gentle giants. Despite their size and strength, gorillas are generally peaceful and gentle animals. They are not aggressive unless threatened. Habitat. Gorillas live in the rainforests of Central Africa. There are two species, eastern and western gorillas, each with two subspecies. Diet. Gorillas are mainly herbivores, meaning they eat plants. Their diet consists of leaves, stems, fruits, and sometimes insects. Social structure. Gorillas live in groups called troops, which are led by a dominant male known as a silverback. Communication. Gorillas communicate through a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language. Intelligence. Gorillas are intelligent animals. They have been observed using tools in the wild, and some gorillas in captivity have learned sign language. Endangered. All gorilla species are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Here's some additional points that might be of interest. Gorilla in English. The word gorilla comes from the name of a hairy African woman mentioned in the writings of the ancient Carthaginian explorer Hanno the Navigator. Gorillas in popular culture. Gorillas have been featured in many books, movies, and documentaries. Some famous examples include King Kong, Gorillas in the Mist, and The Mighty Gorga. Conservation efforts. Many organizations are working to protect gorillas and their habitat. You can learn more about these efforts and how you can help by visiting the websites of organizations like the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, or the Dian Fossey gorilla. Gorillas are truly captivating creatures. Here are some more details to enrich your understanding. Physical characteristics. Size and strength. Gorillas are the largest living primates. Adult males, known as silverbacks, can stand up to 6 feet tall and weigh over 400 pounds. They are incredibly strong, possessing about 10 times the upper body strength of an average human. Distinctive features. They have broad chests, large hands, and short, thick necks. Their arms are longer than their legs, and they walk on all fours, using their knuckles to support their weight. Hair and skin. Gorillas have black skin and are covered in coarse, dark hair. As males mature, they develop a silvery gray patch on their back, hence the name silverback. Lifespan. In the wild, gorillas typically live for 35 to 40 years, while those in captivity can live longer, sometimes reaching 50 years or more. Behavior and social life. Gentle nature. Despite their imposing size, gorillas are generally gentle and peaceful animals. They are not aggressive unless threatened or provoked. Social structure. They live in groups called troops, which can range from a few individuals to over 50. Each troop is led by a dominant silverback, who controls access to females and makes decisions for the group. Communication. Gorillas communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, barks, roars, and chest beating. They also use facial expressions and body language to convey their messages. Daily life. Gorillas are active during the day, spending most of their time foraging for food. They build nests for sleeping at night, either on the ground or in trees. Conservation status. Endangered. All gorilla species are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Their numbers have been declining rapidly in recent years, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival. Threats. The main threats to gorillas include deforestation, which destroys their habitat, hunting for bushmeat, and diseases like Ebola, which can wipe out entire populations. Additional interesting facts. Intelligence. Gorillas are intelligent animals, capable of learning and problem-solving. Some gorillas in captivity have even learned sign language. DNA. Gorillas share about 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest living relatives. Cultural significance. Gorillas hold a special place in many African cultures, often seen as symbols of strength, wisdom, and family. I hope these additional facts provide you with a deeper appreciation for these magnificent creatures. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.